Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending a beautiful day. And in this video, we'll see some high pencil heel in really beautiful design and fun color combination that look really nice and look really amazing. And as you see, this one is a really beautiful color, a blue color, a little bit darker shade that look really amazing. And this is in a tiger print and a little bit transparent touch. And this is also look really nice in a dark blue color and a shiny material that look really beautiful. This is in a black color with some red combination. This is also black and red combo, but in different design. And as you see, this one is also really nice design, black and red with some white heel, like three color combination. This is literally blue. It look really nice and it look really amazing. And as you see, this one is a black color, simple black, and it look also good. Exclusively showcase of high heel shoes, a breathtaking collection of high heeled sandal that redefine elegance and style. Discover the epitome of sophistication with our curated range designed to elevate your fashion game and add the extra allure of to your every step. Each pair of high heeled sandal in our collection is crafted with precious and passions, and from the finance material to intricate detailing, we ensure top-notch quality that stand the test of time. And if you're a high lover and every kind of footwear lover, so this platform will find them in really beautiful design and different color combinations. So do check them and comment below which type of video you'll want to see the next. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you press bell icon, whenever I post a new video, you will get the notification. So that's it for today video. I will see you in the next YouTube video. So Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching this.